So while I'm here, let's get into the interior. Guys, you know I'm very big on interior space because this is where the pilot is going to spend most of their time. And I've seen so many airplanes built well, they look great on the outside, but when you get inside, it looks like a village in there, but you can see just the workmanship in this interior space. So as I was saying, I love the simplicity of this panel here. You've got very little buttons. You've got your G3X Touch. You know G3X Touch is a touch screen, so that may be why you don't really need a lot of buttons. But you see how neat this setup is. You've got one here, your primary, your secondary display. Again, you've got the 750 in the middle, which is a huge screen, so even a blind man can fly and see everything through this here. You've got your autopilot here, and then your EFIS. Something cool that I was just shown. So if you move this to video, you can see that. So say for example you're in flight and you need to make sure that your freaking gears are up or down. Although you have the gear lever here, this will tell you, will indicate to you if the gears are up or down. But this is another way to confirm that, which is very neat. So you've got this sort of redundant system here. Now, in terms of price, this is an experimental plane, so you could always get a kit and build one. But more than likely, this airplane you would have to buy used, and you would hope that whoever you're buying it from did a great job in building it. For a normal Lancair IV that's not pressurized, you can find those 300,000, maybe 400. For these, I can't even really put a price tag on this because it's got everything. Glass panel, you've got AC, you've got pressurization, the whole 9 yards. Now, if you're looking for something like this, you're probably looking at $500,000 and up. And it depends obviously on the quality of the build. It depends on the time on the engine and a whole lot of other features. But if you find a great deal, you may be able to find this $500,000-$600,000, and it's worth it in terms of what you get for the money. Because again, you're comparing this airplane to the Cirrus SR22, the Cessna TTX, but guess what? This is still the fastest of them all. You can't beat the speed of this airplane. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let me know if you have any questions in the link in the description below. And also, if you have any questions, I'm going to be interviewing the owner. If you guys have any questions for him, we're going to find out what it costs to own this thing, to maintain and insurance and so on and so forth. I also forgot to mention, normally at 250 knots, you'll burn about 18 gallons of fuel per hour. So you can do the math there, but you're also getting to where you're going faster. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give a thumbs up. And if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to the MojoGrip channel. And guys, a great way to support the channel is by becoming a member. Either become a premium member here on YouTube or head on to mojogrip.net/MVP, and I will catch you on the next one.
It's not a game, it's a